Hello my dears, welcome to Shabu's Log. This is Shapna Fazil. In today's video, I'll be sharing few informations on cockatiel diet. My video will be showing which foods cockatiels can have and which foods we should avoid from cockatiel's diet. All cockatiel owners and people who are planning to buy a cockatiel should watch this video. Cockatiel diet must be a balanced diet to keep them healthy and away from all the health conditions. Let's see which are the best food for your cockatiel birds. The first is the basic food, seeds or pellets. This provides the basic nutrients to the bird. But overfeeding the seeds can cause liver damages, kidney function problems to the birds. So we should balance the diet by adding the following items into the bird's diet. Fruits. You can feed the bird apples, bananas, orange, mangoes, papaya, etc. The main thing to remember is you have to remove the seed from the apple before giving the bird. Vegetables. You can feed broccoli, corns, pepper, dark green lettuce, coriander leaves, spinach, cucumber, beetroot, capsicum, etc. You can take small pieces of vegetables and make it a chop and feed it freshly to the bird. Food which gives carbohydrate. You can feed the bird small quantities of cooked rice, sweet potatoes, oatmeal, etc. But make sure not to overfeed them, don't give them over quantity, and you can give the carbohydrate rich foods only 2 or 3 times a week. Calcium rich foods like boiled egg and cuttlebone must be given to the cockatiels. It gives extra calcium to the bird. It gives bone strength, and especially for the egg-laying birds, it is very much beneficial. Then only they will lay the healthy, well-formed eggs, and it can avoid egg binding as well. Mineral blocks also provides calcium and few vitamins and few essential nutrients as well. Not only that, it helps the bird to keep the bird's beak and nails in shape. Another important food choice for the birds are sprouts. You can grow sprouts from almost all the seeds. You can mix the sprouts with the fruit chops or the vegetable chops, or you can feed them separately as well. Vitamin supplements. Some birds shows hesitation to have fruits and vegetables. For such birds, we can buy vitamin supplements from veterinary clinics or veterinary pharmacies, and you can add it in their water or food. Next are the foods we should completely avoid feeding the cockatiels. Salt. We should completely avoid salt and salty foods from the cockatiel's diet. It can cause liver problems, kidney problems, and also it can cause excessive molting. Same like salt, we should avoid greasy foods as well. Another things we should avoid are coffee, tea. Usually birds cannot digest lactose. So it's always better to keep the dairy items away from the cockatiel's diet. We should also avoid canned food, salted nuts, sugar, chocolates, peanut butter, etc. Many people are having the habit of feeding the human food to the birds, which is not at all good for the birds, which can gradually lead to their death as well. Hope you got a basic idea about cockatiel foods. The main things to remember: don't overfeed the cockatiels. Don't provide them with multiple items at one time. Don't repeat the same items every day. Another very important thing is keep the water tray always clean, and don't forget to change the water at least once or twice a day. Hope this video will be helpful to you all. I have posted many videos of cockatiels and my other pet birds on my channel. Please go through the video list, and please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button to stay connected. Thank you so much for your time.